Hi everyone, and welcome to this explainer video on future perfect and future perfect continuous. Now I'm taking these two together because they're kind of linked in some way, and we'll find out how. So let's move on. Now, to understand the future perfect and the future perfect continuous, let us take an example. Let us say Abhishek wants to save money. He starts saving 1000 rupees every month, starting August 2020. By December I mean by 1st of December, he would have saved rupees 4000. So for the month of August, September, October and November. By December, he would have saved rupees 4000. So if you look at this timeline, you have the past, you have the present and you have the future. So this is an event in the future where Abhishek will start at one point of time, and by December, he would have saved rupees 4000. So let's look at this statement. By December, Abhishek will have saved rupees 4000. Now this is a statement in the future perfect tense. A future perfect tense is used for completed actions in the future. So if you look at this is a completed action in the future by December. He starts in the month of August and by December it is complete. So this is what future perfect is. It is completed actions in the future. And what is the formula? Subject plus will have plus verb 3 plus object. Now let us understand another situation with the same example. By December, Abhishek will have been saving money for 4 months, which means that if we take the month of December, if we are in the month of December, Abhishek will have been saving money for 4 months. Now here we are concentrating on the time, but here we were concentrating on the money. The emphasis here was on money, but the emphasis here is on time. That Abhishek will have been saving for 4 months. So let's understand this is a sentence in the future perfect continuous, which are ongoing actions in the future with the duration, where the focus here is on time. And the formula here is subject plus will have been plus verb in the ing form plus object. So let me repeat. Future perfect is completed actions in the future, and future perfect continuous is basically ongoing action in the future where the focus is on the duration. Now let's take one more example to understand this better. Let us say that I and my wife decide to paint my house and we are going to start at 7 a.m. in the morning, and it's going to take us roughly about 10 hours to complete the painting. So here is a statement. We will have painted the living room by 5 p.m. Right? We will have painted the living room by 5 p.m. That means by 5 p.m., which is 10 hours, we will have completed the job of painting. Right? It is a completed action in the future. Now the same statement, if you come down out here, by 5 p.m. we will have been painting the room for 10 hours. Right? So when we look at 5 p.m. in the future, we will have been painting the room for 10 hours. Now the focus here is on the time, which is 10 hours, and the focus here is on painting. So I hope it is very clear when to use future perfect and when to use future perfect continuous. Now one thing you need to remember is that these two tenses are not used very often in daily English language. So if this sounds a little complicated, well, please don't worry. In normal English conversation, these kinds of sentences are not used, but it's good to understand the logic and the concept behind it. All right, thank you, and you can now proceed to the exercises.